चलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे एक्चुअली। आज हम लोग देखेंगे RDDs। ठीक है, देखेंगे कि मेमोरी लॉग्स, जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम आपसे मेमोरी स्ट्रक्चर डिस्कस किया था। ठीक है, सो दैट विल गोइंग टू सी ओके इन दिस वीडियो। So if you can see it here, last time when we discussed, we have around 60%, I mean 15 GB of memory and around 8 cores. Okay, so how it will going to give the memory to the executor. Okay, so if you see this log, in the logs you can see that executor memory is 8278 MB. Okay, so let's see if what we have discussed last time is the same as whatever this is how the Spark is allocating the memory or not. Okay, so if you look at this one, which is 8278 MB, okay, is your executor memory. And if you scroll down, you will going to see this is 8 cores. Okay, so as you can see, this is local 8, Spark Master local 8. So this is basically your core number of cores. Okay, so number of cores are 8, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will going to see some memory. Okay, this is the one. So driver memory is 7254 MB. Okay, so if you calculate 7254, okay, so if you calculate 7254 plus 8278 will give you around 15. Okay, 15.5 memory. Okay, so this is including everything. Okay, so 15.5 is the actual memory that we got. Okay, and if you look at the, let's go back here, in the executor memory, let's say 15 GB approximately was our memory and 8 cores. So 60% we are allocating it to the executors and 40% to the rest, that is driver. So if you calculate 60% of I mean excluding the unified memory, okay, sorry, this overhead, which is 384 MB. so from 60%, so what you will get is 60% of executor memory, which is 8378. Okay, I mean sorry, if 60% of 15 GB will be something around 8278, and if you remove the overhead, which is 384, you will going to get 7894. And earlier when we discussed about the unified memory, so this is the same. Executor memory is nothing but the unified memory, okay, before overhead. But if after overhead, removing the after overhead, you will be getting 7894. And the earlier video when we calculated the unified memory, which is close to 7741. So as you can see, we have allocated the correct memory. Okay, and we know that it's 50-15 ratio between the storage and the executor. And if you divide it by 2, 7450, you will get around 3.8 or 3.9 GB of executor memory and the storage memory respectively.